Hello guys, welcome back to another OBS video. Today I'm going to be playing Hypershot this time. New video from all my VR ones. And I like specific game modes, like gun game only. And I've actually played Hypershot in a bit, so I'm kind of rusty. Yo, I didn't even see that guy.
Yeah, bro, touch my ball.
Oh, it's a damn guy. I'm already over.
Dude, why can't you just be there for me?
I need shotgun kills. I need this chest.
Guys, Banana VR, you can subscribe to him and join our Discord, guys. He's the best creator of all time. Okay.
Well, I can't. My verification thing's already in. You got some ones there. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Yo, what?
Oh, fuck. Game, I'm so close to 350 mastery.
Yo, what? Yo, 100? It's crazy work.
Nick. Hello, Millie.
Oh, he runs. Bro, what? Yeah, that. Oh my god. Yo, bro. I mean, dude, how is this kid always winning? Okay, I need to go back to the arcade so I can get this premium weapon chest, dude. I've been looking forward to this all week. Okay. I need to win 1v1s or I need to win 2 1v1s or any type of game mode that supports 1v2s or anything. So do 1. So I get it. Okay. A guy named Ricky. There's a flamethrower, but I'm not using the flamethrower. It's my draw later gun. Dang it, dude. Okay, whatever. 36, 31. You just get a 4 win. That's my main build. Better find my team. Yo, what?
6, 7.
I'm gonna see him. He's like he's out.
Yeah, when are you gonna go in your forever world?
I don't know. After I'm done, like with this video, bro. Like you're asking questions when I'm making in the middle of my videos. Yo, convince you. Okay, this is probably the biggest accusation of all time. Make fun of me in the comments. I don't care. I think you're cheating because how do you hit me that good all the time? Finally, I won one round. I might use my flamethrower or something, but that's not really worth it.
It was a smooth Minecraft mod.
I want these my secondary.
Like custom animations, full animations, and also and a lot of straight armor.
3v3 right now. 3 points to 3. Here we go. On these. Oh, Loki think he's hacking. Okay, it's probably the more accusation. He's probably not anyways, but I just think he is. Because you can't hit something like that all the time. Okay, finally, it's 4 to 4. I gotta lock in if I want to go to the store to get this premium crate. I guess I have 4 hours left to be doing more, but I'm trying to do this. Okay. Really want to get this premium crate. I'm stuck in a wall! Sometimes my keys get stuck on her. I swear, dude, I was in the wall. I could have caught him that so easily, bro. I should use splash.
Yeah, buddy, run! Run, Enderman, run! Always run! Give me that pearl.
I already won. Let's go on my checklist. Okay, guys, comment down below what you spend my diamonds and my coins on, or just wait till like a new update or something, because I'm really looking forward to spending them, because I ran out of the ton last night. Yeah, good thing. Thank you. 31, 36 again. Okay. I don't see the match make me. I'm gonna use the map. Fail all the time I got a game. This is a map I can grapple around. Or what? I hate that movement there.
Oh, combo!
I'm so glad I have that scythe and the banana. That's just so much. Actually, I have so much. I put this in all my cap by so. I want to do throw banana at him. Oh, I got 31 level. I'm not making fun of him at all, anyways. Here we go. Okay. Where's my voice up? I don't know the video quality will pick me up. I don't think it will, so. I see her. In the castle. Did it. He left. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go with you.
Oh shoot.
I would have had to get that 1v1. There's no way I didn't. Gotta be you. Okay, one more, yes, there you go. All I have to do is take damage, or like damage him. Yeah, give me a time. Bro. You on top?
Okay,
Bro, what? I think it's a method or something. 25, 136.
Welcome to I'm
ready
just gonna
for
go for all the
secondary,
hay bales. I'm not gonna spend any time with anything else. I'm not gonna kill the gold because I don't have any tools right now. I'm gonna kill the dragon.
Yo, what's he on stuck? He has to walk in, move it on.
Alright, so now I'm gonna take that.
See him
I
now.
need to get the bread. I'm gonna take the bread. Take that. Actually,
Yo, what? I hate platform like that.
What's in here? What's in here? Yay! Are you? What are you talking?
Bro, what is this kid doing? That's strange as hell.
Nope, I don't need that. Now I'm gonna break this crate.
Yo, where is he at? Yo, so close. I think he's just a sniper build. What's up? Let me see him slunching back. Yo, nice air snipe, buddy. That was a nice one. I don't spam these next, I just have to use them when I need to. If I'm getting shot in the air, I'm obviously gonna use them. Yeah.
Okay, now we have more bread.
Yo, what? Snipe in the air, buddy? Perfect.
One stack.
Hey, 0.
2 stacks. 3 stacks. A lot of bread.
Even when my keys push me against a wall, it's still hitting me. I'm gonna get the premium crate, please.
Bread.
I need this speed.
Good. Now we have the bread also. And then make down as well. And again, and take that. And that. And that's it.
Alright, let's go back to the main hub. Okay. I did it. Let's go. I get my premium crate now, where I've been waiting so long for this premium crate. I hope it's permanent because it's all that for nothing, bro. Okay, here we go. Bro, we need bonus, bro. How I get it? How do I open it? I'm not sure. Oh, it's a crate, so open? No, I don't have any cases. I mean, how would I use it? I'm confused.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do that.
How do I open it?
By the way, yes, I did see the hole.
Weapon case.
Alright, now let's go up here. Break this. Break this. We make a bridge all the way to the hole. And we're gonna break this. Okay. That's the hole.
Was it a shot?
And now we have a different hole. So now we're going to make some
say to first. Oh heck no, bro. Oh, inventory. Oh. I mean, I don't got nothing for these, bro. Like, stop sending me trade requests. Here we go, guys. First ever
Like,
premium
why
games.
is there?
Oh my god. Whoa.
My good.
Kawaii Kazawasi. It's kind of cool, actually. I like that. Going for the turn bat. Yeah, let's go. This is my main loadout. It's the Kawasaki. Okay. I'm guessing it's a Sebi, this.
Hey guys, we're gonna speedrun
This is gonna
Infinity.
look weird on me, bro, but I don't care.
Yay, let's
When to go?
Okay.
Yo, what the hell? Yo, what? Okay.
Thank
Thank you guys so much for watching the Hypershot video. I'm gonna go now. Bye, guys.